your time on the scoreboard.
City has 392 heads, headers, and a tune. Alright guys, we are finally headed back to the track. This is going to be the first time I'm racing in close to 2 months since the break. And it's going to be the first time I'm racing. I'm fully prepped on 17s. The only thing I have in is the center console. It's a comfort feature. I'm actually taking that out. DA is about 1500. I have a couple good races lined up. I don't know where I'm going to be running. Today's more of a testing and tuning kind of thing. I'm not going for records. I'm not going to run 12.3, 12.2. It's 1500 DA. Humidity's low, so I'm thinking 12.7-ish, possibly 12.6, you know, depending on how good it is. I haven't been here in a while. I'm excited to get back. I am still a little bit nervous, but I'm excited. And I just want to get back to the racing and have good content for you guys. And what else can I say besides let's kick some ass? All right, guys, we are finally here in the staging lanes. I'm always, as you can see, the first person in line. We are ready. I just put the track intake on, got the tire pressure set. Also, new shirts. Incredible Hemi. They're ready for sale right now. I'm going to give you the link in the description. It's on Teespring. It's going to help support the channel. Everything is ready to go. I don't know who we're running yet in the first pass. Let's see how we do. Alright, first run, we're going to run this thing.
All no time. Again, if you have an NT on the vehicle and you do not want your time on the scoreboard.
City has 392 heads, headers, and a tune.
Motorcycles and quads, you're at the front of lane number 2.
It's a beautiful truck.
And if we have any,
but he wants to run the cam ram. He actually asked me to run it first.
On the west side of the track, behind the timing tower. I haven't seen any, but hey, you never know. Anything can run tonight. All right. So those are your staging lane assignments for test and tune. Remember, test and tune, run per session. Once you make your run, head back to your pit area and come back to the lanes when you're ready. Or
you did this all yourself?
Took a few hours.
Yeah. How long did the exhaust take you though?
Oh, that took about 3 or 4 hours.
Really? Yeah. Okay. You had the bumpers already.
Yeah, I took it off, and then I had to cut all that out and mold it.
Okay. Yeah, I see that.
And then I had to cut all this all around there and mold that because of the toe hitch in the back.
Okay. Okay.
Like you got the same damn thing.
Yeah. Yep.
But it came in, you can get the roll pin thing.
Yeah.
And this was a big French in that end.
Do you tow with this?
No, but
No?
I'm going to buy it.
You ever think about getting rid of that tow hitch for it though? And getting it all smooth? Or you like having it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to get a boat.
Oh, you get a boat? Yeah, I got a small boat. That's why even though I race my truck, I
had this taken off,
Oh yeah, I like that, yeah.
Had that removed.
I like this too. I like the
Yeah, that was special made.
Yeah, I can see. I haven't seen that yet. This is nice.
Like 1800.
Beautiful. There we go.
These slats that I had them put on.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's good.
You see on the roof?
Oh, you got some on the roof? Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, I can see that. It's a ram symbol, right? I like the grill inserts. I like the grill. I do like the grill. Even the bottom part, yeah. Yeah, it pops. Definitely, it's different. We're here with, what's your name?
Barry.
Barry, and he's got beautiful 2014, I'm guessing.
2014, yeah.
All right, why don't you tell us the mod you got done to it? Because we're going to run first.
392 heads, headers, tuned by Richard Petty.
Okay. Nice. We'll see how it does. just had the first pass. We're gonna see what it is. The guy said he ran high 13s. I don't know if I was that far ahead of him. I don't know. It felt good. Felt good, but we will see. Shifted out pretty good. I forgot the log, of course. Sorry, Jay. I always forget the log every single time. I get excited. And we'll see what the first pass is. I'm gonna say 12.8. That's my guess. Maybe slide. I didn't feel that good.
There you are.
Thank you. 12.9. Yeah. High. It didn't feel good. Spun a little bit off the line. Again, what else is fucking new? Maybe. I don't know. Tried the next pass. I know it didn't feel like a 12.7. It's a low 12.9, so we'll see. It'll improve. It's hot out. Remember, it's about 85 degrees out. High DA, but we'll see how we'll get there. So we'll see 12.9. Alright guys, we're leaving the track right now. I got the passes I wanted to get in. The time was not exactly there where I wanted it to be. It was close, but it wasn't exactly the 12.7 that I wanted, or possibly a 12.6. I know it's got it in it. It just, the 60 foot was down big time by a minimal of probably a 10th. Traction, I still think I'm spinning. It's hard. It's not the easiest to tell, but I don't feel like it's dead hooking and booking. I feel like there's a little spin and then there's a little go. Next time I'm at the track, I'm going to do a test. I'm going to put the tape on or whatever, see if it's spinning inside the wheel well, because they're bias ply, you know, the ET Street R's, and we'll go from there. But it was running high 1.7s and even a couple 1.80s, 60 foot, which, you know, is really not that good for me. I usually do low 1.7s, and even on a shitty day, I do mid 1.75s. But the truck ran 12.8 to 12.9. I was not happy with 12.9s at all. But, you know, what can you do? You can't always go out and get the best pay. It's the first day back since everything. First tune, I didn't just, you know, the tuning shouldn't be too much of an issue. I data logged to Jay. Hopefully everything's good there. But the truck that I raced was a 2014 Ram with 392 badges on it. He was an old guy. But he called me out. He wanted to run me. And I said, yeah, sure, we'll run. You know, what do you got? He's like, got headers, this. Got a bunch of cool visual effects. Yeah, did you see my gauges and stuff like that? So it's a pretty cool looking truck. He's an older guy. I'd say he's probably pushing 70 at least. But it was a good night. I'm very happy. Glad to be back at the track. Much more racing footage coming for you. The truck ran good. It felt good. DA, from what a couple guys were telling me, was actually, I couldn't get the greatest service, was actually up close to 1,800. It wasn't 13 or 14, 1,800, so that made a big difference too. It was not great DA, but we are a little bit heavier. We're on 93 octane. We didn't run a 100 octane tune, so there's another factor. And I think with that, maybe like with the extra weight going, the DA being a little lower, even in like that in similar conditions, it could have been the 12.6, possibly a 12.5. It's got it in it. I know what it can do. And when Jay sees the log, he'll know. I'm going to get an eyeball of where the air-fuel ratio is. I should have sent him a video of it, but I didn't, I was racing all day, so I got video of all the track runs that I gotten in. And it was a fun day. Had a great day. We're going to get back to it as soon as we can and have more racing footage and try to break records